How to set your iCloud photos to store photos and videos in low or high resolution on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on your account name at the top. In here, we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. In iCloud Photos, we scroll down and then choose Optimize iPhone Storage. Now you can see here, if you select Optimize iPhone Storage, your photos and videos will be replaced with a smaller device size versions. Full resolution version is still available from the iCloud, and you can download them anytime. If you have a lot of storage space on your device and you want to quickly access full resolution photos and videos from your local storage, then you can select Download and Keep Originals. If you select this option, then the phone will immediately try to download the original full-size version from iCloud down to your device. And that's it. So select one of the options. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.